How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a badass 1966 Chevrolet Caprice. Super cool car, done as a pro touring car. Clean, original panel body on it. Very nice car. A lot of cool upgrades in it. See, the front bumper's been replaced and re-chromed. Original grille. All in very good condition. It's a factory desert tan with a black top. Car's real straight down the sides. Got a set of 17-inch Rev Bandits. It's got 4-wheel disc. It's all aftermarket axles. In the rear, it's got Ride Tech suspension all the way around. So all the tail lights, original ones, excellent condition. Rear bumper's been re-chromed. Just a killer car. It's got all the wheel wood disc brakes. It's got all the Ride Tech tubular A-arms and everything up front with fully adjustable coilovers. Got a 6.0 LS with a 4L60 trans. It's very nicely done. It's got air conditioning, it's got vintage air and heat. You know, all the power 4-wheel disc. Nice close-off panel. So all the jams look real good in the car. Most of the interior's all been replaced. It is an Impala seat covers. It's got digital Dakota dash. It's all push button start. Got a nice set of buckets in it. All inside the trunk's been fully upholstered. It's got stereo system with an amp. It's got the factory jack spare. Battery's been relocated to the back. Got folder full of paperwork on the build. It's just a super cool car. This thing handles like a brand new Corvette. It's got all tubular A-arms in the rear, large sway bars front and rear, all coilovers in the rear. You know, AM, FM, CD stereo with Bluetooth. Got the B&M performance shifter in it. It works correct with the overdrive trance. Thing fires right up. It's got all billet hood hinges. It's got multi-speed delay wipers in it from Detroit Speed. It's just a super cool car. I mean, it doesn't look like it'd be a pro touring car or resto mod, but I tell you what, it's a fun car to drive. backup lights and everything work on it. It's just a super cool car. You can check out a complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com or visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. This car's got a perfect stance to it.